pricing strategies in the different types of markets. The perfect markets are those markets where large number of the buyers and sellers they are present. The price determined in these types of the markets are through the demand and supply. Each firm has to accept the equilibrium price for their product. They cannot charge price higher than the equilibrium or the market price, and we call the firms the price takers. They have to take or accept the price which is prevailing in the markets. In the imperfect markets, firms in these markets can adopt a number of strategies. In imperfect markets, firms can vary the prices, their prices can be different. The decision on what to price is determined by how much competition there is. Fall into two groups. Cost-based pricing means cost plus pricing. Price is set by working out the average cost and adding a markup of profit. Average cost is just suppose £1 and markup is 10%, then the price would be £1.20 sterling. Firms with little competition can use this method, cost plus pricing. The advantages to cost plus pricing is it is very quick and easy method. It ensures sales revenue will cover total cost and make firms profits. The disadvantages of cost plus pricing: fixed markup could be a problem if new competition was to enter the market. Contribution pricing or marginal cost pricing. Price is set to cover the variable cost. As long as price more than covers variable cost, countries will be made towards continuous efforts will be made towards fixed costs. If enough orders are received so that contribution equals fixed cost, then firms will break even. Break even is conditioned with cost and revenue equals. If contribution is greater than fixed cost, then the firm is making the profit. Advantages of the contribution pricing: more flexible than the cost plus pricing of products, can take into account competitors' prices and demand by customers, can be used during poor trading so long as variable costs are covered and a contribution is made to fixed cost. Another is the customer-oriented pricing. Competition-based pricing includes when there is strong competition, firms may charge their price, fix their price on what other firms in the market are charging. There may be a price leader who sets the price and the rest of the firms or market follows, just like the patron. Another is the penetrating price. The new entrants will set a price below existing suppliers to gain a foothold in the market. This is another technique that when new entrants in the market, they set low price just to penetrate the market or just to get a foothold in the market, with the hope that customers will become loyal to the brand and continue to buy when the price will increase. Predatory pricing: this is another type of the pricing technique used by existing firms to push out competition from the market. The firms will lower their prices so that new entrants will not be able to cover its costs. The existing firms cover its loss by cross-subsidizing. Another pricing strategy is the monopoly pricing, charging what the market will bear. Suppliers of unique products can charge the price they think customers will pay. Psychological pricing is also one of the pricing. Products may be priced above competition to create the idea of better quality. Some firms they charge higher price just to create a sense that the higher priced products have the better quality. Price skimming. Suppliers of new products may charge a higher price to begin within order to maximize revenues as compared when competitors enter the market. Price discrimination is another. Firms over the same period but over different prices to different types of customers. So, thank you very much for watching these videos. I repeat again that there are different types of the pricing strategies. Cost-based pricing, cost plus markup price. Another is the contribution pricing or marginal cost covering pricing. And customer-oriented pricing is another competition-based pricing technique. Then another penetrating pricing, predatory pricing. When firms want to push out the competitors, they fix low price, monopoly pricing, charging what the market will bear, psychological pricing, price skimming. Suppliers of new products may charge a higher price to begin with in order to maximize revenues before competitors enter the market. They charge higher prices. Price discrimination means charging different prices to different buyers. Firms for the same product but over different prices to different types of customers. Thank you very much for watching.